Tausha Dickinson, and I am a portrait and commercial photographer based right outside of Nashville, Tennessee, and I'm about to tell you 5 reasons why you need the outdoor kit. Number 1, it's portable. You're going to get the silver foldable beauty dish that comes with the grid, and it comes with the diffusion panel that's 24 inches when it's open wide and 14 inches when it's collapsed down, and it comes with its own bag. You're going to get the backpack, which inside the backpack you can fit the Einstein, the transmitter and transceiver, the Vagabond Mini, the clamp that goes to the Vagabond Mini that will connect to the 10-foot air cushion stand that you can connect to the outside of the backpack, which again makes it super portable. Number 2, it's affordable. When you look at all your other lighting options for lights of this caliber, this is the biggest bang for your buck. Number 3, it's powerful. With the Einstein's flash output, you'll have the right amount of light for almost any situation. And then with the Vagabond Mini, you'll have 400 to 500 full power flashes out of a very small battery pack. Number 4, it's versatile. I knew when I was working with Josephine for this shoot that I wanted to get some really tight headshots, and I also wanted to get some really far out shots, and I wanted everything in between. And since it comes with a grid and diffusion panels, it makes it really easy to change up the look of your lighting for different moods. Number 5, it's policy buff. They've been around since the 80s, which is as long as I've been around, and it's for good reason. Their quality is top notch, and their customer service is unmatched. You can call them up, get a live person, and they're super helpful and super responsive. So there you have it. That's the 5 reasons I absolutely love the Policy Buff Outdoor Kit. And here are some of my favorite images from the shoot using only the outdoor kit. For more information on the outdoor kit or any of the other products that Policy Buff offers, make sure to check out the link below.